Imagine for a moment that the universe, in all its vastness and complexity, could be understood through a simple coin toss. Heads or tails, each outcome equally likely, yet unpredictable until revealed. Now, picture an ancient sage contemplating this very same duality, but instead of heads and tails, they see yin and yang, the interplay of opposites that create harmony in the world. Quantum mechanics, with its particles existing as waves and particles simultaneously, isn't so different from these philosophical musings. We often think of science and philosophy as separate realms, but what if I told you that at their core they whisper to each other through the ages? The paradoxes of quantum mechanics, particles being in multiple places at once or affecting each other instantaneously across vast distances, are like echoes of ancient ideas about interconnectedness and simultaneity. It's as though these concepts were always there, waiting for us to discover them anew. But here's where things get truly fascinating. The more we delve into quantum mechanics, the more it seems to reflect back at us our own human tendencies, our need to simplify complex realities, to find patterns in chaos, and to seek connections that bridge the gap between what is seen and unseen. This video isn't just about uncovering these hidden links. It's also about how they change our understanding of reality itself. By the end, you'll see that quantum mechanics isn't just a science. It's a lens through which we can view ancient wisdom in an entirely new light. And as we explore this journey together, I promise you, you won't be able to get your morning cup of tea or the stars above without thinking about how these ancient philosophies and cutting-edge science intertwine, creating a tapestry that's both timeless and ever-evolving. So, let's embark on this exploration, where we'll uncover the surprising revelations that await us, bridging the gap between what was once thought to be separate worlds. Have you ever felt a sudden connection with someone? An inexplicable sense of knowing what they're thinking or feeling? Quantum entanglement works in much the same way. Just as ancient Eastern philosophies speak about interconnectedness and oneness, quantum mechanics reveals that particles can be so deeply connected that their states become intertwined, no matter how far apart they are. Imagine you have 2 cups of tea, one for yourself and one for a friend who lives miles away. According to quantum entanglement, if something happens to your cup, say, the temperature drops suddenly, the other cup would instantly respond in kind, even though there's no direct physical link between them. It's as if they share a secret language that transcends space. This concept isn't so different from the idea of oneness found in ancient Eastern philosophies like Taoism or Buddhism. These traditions teach us to see beyond our individual selves and recognize the web of connections that bind all things together. In quantum mechanics, this interconnectedness is not just metaphorical, it's a fundamental property of reality. Think about your morning commute. Have you ever experienced one of those days where everything seems to fall into place, or perhaps every delay aligns in a way that feels almost predestined? Quantum entanglement suggests there might be underlying connections influencing these events in ways we don't fully understand yet. As we explore this idea further, let's consider the concept of wave-particle duality. A particle can exist as both a wave and a particle at the same time, much like how ancient philosophies describe duality as fluid and ever-changing. This duality is another example of interconnectedness, where different aspects of something coexist in harmony. In Part 2, we'll dive deeper into how these ancient ideas shape our understanding of quantum mechanics today. We'll look at surprising examples from daily life that might make you see your surroundings with a new perspective. You won't want to miss it. Wait until you discover the hidden connections that bridge the gap between the microscopic world and our everyday experiences. But here's where it gets wild. Ancient philosophies, with their deep roots in interconnectedness and oneness, have inspired some unexpected applications of quantum mechanics that might just change how we see reality. First up, consider the concept of meditation. When you meditate, you often find yourself in a state of calm focus, yet still aware of your surroundings. This is similar to the idea of superposition in quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple states at once until observed. Just like how meditation allows you to be present and detached simultaneously, superposition shows us that reality isn't fixed, but exists as a spectrum of possibilities. Now, let's talk about energy healing. Ancient Eastern practices suggest that our bodies are interconnected with the world around us through subtle energies. Quantum mechanics supports this idea by showing that particles can affect each other instantaneously over long distances, a phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. This means that when you think about someone far away and feel a sudden connection, there might be a quantum basis for it. Lastly, consider the practice of Feng Shui. The ancient art of arranging your space to harmonize with the flow of energy around you can be seen in the principles of quantum mechanics. Just as particles influence each other through fields and waves, our surroundings can subtly affect us on energetic levels. This aligns beautifully with how we feel more grounded or uplifted depending on where we are. These applications highlight how ancient philosophies provide a bridge between the mystical and the scientific. They remind us that even in our daily lives, we experience quantum mechanics through practices like meditation, energy healing, and Feng Shui. So, as you go about your day, take a moment to think about those cups of tea from our earlier example. Imagine how they might be connected across space. Just as ancient philosophy suggests, all things are interconnected in the web of existence. This is why quantum mechanics isn't just for scientists. It's a way to see the world with new eyes, where every cup of tea and morning commute can reveal hidden depths of interconnectedness. In our final part, we'll explore how these principles might shape technologies and societal norms, giving you another lens through which to view your everyday experiences. Here's why this changes everything. Quantum mechanics and ancient philosophies, though they seem worlds apart, offer complementary views on the fabric of reality. They show us how interconnectedness isn't just a spiritual notion, but also a physical phenomenon that underlies our universe. When we consider quantum entanglement, where particles remain connected no matter their distance from one another, it mirrors the ancient Eastern idea of oneness and interconnectedness. This connection is not merely metaphorical. It's a tangible reality revealed by science. The same way meditation can induce states of awareness that parallel superposition in quantum mechanics, our daily experiences resonate with these profound principles. This changes everything because it enriches our understanding of existence. It suggests that the wisdom of ancient traditions and the precision of modern scientific inquiry are not mutually exclusive, but rather two sides of the same coin. By embracing this interconnected view, we can find deeper meaning in our everyday lives, from the simple act of sharing a cup of tea to feeling an inexplicable connection with someone far away. Imagine walking through your day with the awareness that every moment is part of a larger tapestry woven by both ancient philosophies and quantum mechanics. It's like holding up a mirror to reality, seeing not just what we are, but also what we might be. This perspective inspires us to look beyond surface-level interactions and appreciate the intricate web that binds all things together. In conclusion, as we've explored how these two fields intersect, we're reminded of our own place within this vast universe. Whether through meditation or the act of observing quantum phenomena, we're partakers in a dance of existence where every step is a reflection of the whole. This isn't just about understanding reality. It's about feeling it, embracing its mysteries, and finding ourselves woven into its fabric. So, next time you share that cup of tea or experience an unexpected connection with someone far away, remember this: you are part of something greater than yourself, a vibrant interplay of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. And in this realization lies the beauty of existence, ever evolving, ever interconnected, ever expanding. As we wrap up this journey through the hidden connections between quantum mechanics and ancient philosophies, I hope you felt a deeper sense of wonder and curiosity about our place in the universe. If there's one thing I'd love to hear from you, It's your personal experiences, the moments when you felt an inexplicable connection with something beyond yourself. Whether it was during meditation, while gazing at the stars, or simply sharing a cup of tea with someone special, we're all part of this intricate web. So take a moment to comment below and share your stories. Let's continue this conversation together, exploring how these ancient wisdoms and modern sciences intertwine in our everyday lives. And if you are as fascinated by these connections as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There are so many more hidden links waiting for us to uncover, between the stars above and the ground beneath our feet. Stay curious, stay connected, and let's dive deeper into the mysteries of existence together. Thanks for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, keep looking up and within for those surprising revelations that enrich our understanding of what it means to be alive in this vast, interconnected universe.